Okay, class. Okay. So the paragraph is here about the Nasi. Okay, from the chapter number 11, and one paragraph I have done, and I'm going to explain it. And after that, you will have to explain what did you get. Okay, how much did you get from this passage. So let me start. पहला है कि when I grow up, I want to become a seed collector. अर्थात जब मैं बड़ा होऊंगा या तो मैं क्या बनूंगा? मैं एक सीड कलेक्टर बनना चाहता हूँ। We have a cotton field in village and every year my father spend a lot of money on buying new seeds. कहता है कि हमारे गांव में क्या है? कॉटन का फील्ड है और जिसमें हर एक साल हमारे पिताजी क्या करते हैं? बहुत सारे पैसे खर्च करते हैं। किस लिए? सीड्स खरीदने के लिए। किसके लिए? सीड्स खरीदने के लिए। ठीक। फिर क्या अगली लाइन कह रही है? माई ग्रैंडपा टोल्ड मी दैट मेनी इयर्स एगो। मेरे दादाजी कहते थे, ओके, मेरी दादाजी कहते थे कि बहुत साल पहले he could collect the seed from his own plants which could be sown to grow new plants during the next year. कहते थे कि बहुत साल पहले क्या होता था कि कॉटन के फील्ड से ही सीड को क्या कर लिया जाता था? कलेक्ट करते थे लोग, इकट्ठा करते थे और फिर उसी को अगले साल क्या करते थे? उसको फिर से लगा देते थे, फिर से उसको बो देते थे। ये बात कौन बोल रहा है? नासिर के ग्रैंडपा, नासिर के दादाजी। अगली लाइन में क्या कह रहा है? अगली लाइन में कह रहा है ड्यूरिंग द नेक्स्ट ईयर, बट टुडे दैट इज नॉट वर्क सो। लेकिन अब ऐसा नहीं होता है। कह रहा है कि पहले होता था लेकिन अब ऐसा नहीं होता है। ओके, दैट्स व्हाई सो वी हैव टू स्पेंड अ लॉट ऑफ मनी बाय न्यू सीड्स एवरी सिंगल ईयर। इसलिए हम लोगों को हर साल बहुत सारे पैसे खर्च करने पड़ते हैं नई सीड्स खरीदने के लिए। फिर कह रहा है I want to find out why that is. Okay, मैं पता करना चाहता हूँ कि ऐसा क्यों है कि लोग ये काम करना बंद कर रहे हैं। I want to find out why that is so. Okay, I want to learn preserve seeds so that we can use them again and not spend money every year. कह रहा है कि हम सीखना चाहते हैं। क्या? मैं सीखना चाहता हूँ हाउ टू प्रिजर्व सीड्स so that we can use that seeds in the next year and save money. Okay, and save money. अर्थात वो कहना ये चाहता है कि हम सीखना चाहते हैं कि सीड्स को कैसे प्रिजर्व करते हैं ताकि अगले साल में हम लोग उसका यूज कर सके और बहुत सारे पैसे हमारे खर्च ना हो। ठीक है। नाउ okay, whatever I have convinced you, now it's your turn. Let me check how much % did you get from this passage. So are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's start. Okay, so I have taught you one paragraph. Did you get my point? आपने मेरी बात समझी? अब आपने जो कुछ भी मेरे डिक्टेशन से उस पैराग्राफ से समझा है, अब आप उसको इंग्लिश में खुद एक्सप्लेन करिए। खुद बताइए कि व्हाट पॉइंट डिड यू गेट फ्रॉम द पैसेज।
Nasir becomes a seed collector. He has one cotton field in his village. His father spent a lot of money to buy seeds, and his grandfather says many times years ago, the peoples collect seeds in his field
and use them next year.
But this time not.
Very good.
This time I want to learn how to preserve seeds to use again seeds in the field.
Very good.
And not spending a lot of
very
money.
good Sumam. Thank you so much. Well done. Today in the class I have explained a paragraph about नासिर। मैंने नासिर के बारे में एक पैराग्राफ को एक्सप्लेन किया। तो मैं बस एक ये करना चाहता हूँ कि आप सभी ने कितना पाया, आप लोगों ने उस पैराग्राफ से कितना सीखा, वो रियल मीनिंग आप तक पहुँच पाई, आप अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं फैक्ट को कि नहीं। तो कैन यू एक्सप्लेन? Yes, please go ahead.
There is a boy. His name is Nasir, and he say, when I grow up, I am become a seed collector.
Very
and,
good.
My father, I have a cotton field, and my father always spend a lot of money and grow seed, and say my grandpa say, many year ago we collect seed and grow, and next year we learn
I want to learn.
I want to learn previous
Preserve.
preserve seed, and not expend lot of money.
Yes. I want to learn money so that we don't spend lot of money on buying seeds. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Well done, dear. Well done.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Grandpa.
Hello, Kushi. Now it's your turn to explain the Nasi. Okay? Please speak.
Nasir is a boy. He is born to become a seed collector.
Very good.
He has her own cotton field.
Mhm.
Her father spent a lot of money to buying new seeds.
Very good.
But her grandfather say, many years ago
Very
we
good.
collect seeds our field,
Mhm.
and use next year.
Mhm.
Next year, so I want to Nasir say, I want to learn
How to preserve seeds.
seeds and not spend lot of money every year.
Very good, very good. Nasir, it means you mean Nasir want to learn how we can preserve the seeds so that we can use them in the next year,
Yes.
and we can also save our money on spending buying the seeds. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Very okay, Ansika. Now it's your turn to explain the Nasir paragraph. The student had performed very well, and but some student try, but they couldn't. But no problem, no problem. The next class, I hope you will definitely perform. You will definitely able to explain. Okay, because whatever I am teaching, if you are able to demonstrate, if you are able to represent those things in your English language, so that then my teaching is useful. Otherwise I am teaching and you are not getting, so my teaching is no matter, it's not a useless. Okay, it's a useless. So that's why I want to say, whatever you teach in your class, you try to absorb those things. If you are not getting any points, so you can arise question, you can ask to me, so that you can gain 100% from my lectures. Okay, I have explained this paragraph about the Nasir, and some of students had well explained the topic about the Nasir, but some are not, some are couldn't. But no worry, in the next class, you will definitely perform. Okay, thank you so much.